see this really thick sheet membrane covering the kidney? Mm-hmm. What was this called?
Renal capsule.
Capsule. Very good, very good. Okay. And if you look at, well, let's see. You can sort of kind of see it. There's supposed to be like a little indentation, right? Right, towards that, to make that bean structure, right? That indentation is called what?
Hilus.
It's the hilus, right? But if we were to take everything out and see that cavity,
Maybe this
it's
is
renal sinus, right? So let's see if I could see. Well, there's like an artery here, right? The blood vessel, the artery of the kidneys are called what? Renal arteries. And then the veins would be the renal veins, right? And then we also have what coming out of the sinus?
The ureter.
The ureter as well, right? So we could kind of see if we could find the ureter in one of these.
What kind of kidney is that?
It's either like a calf or a sheep. One of them's a sheep and one of them a calf. So I think maybe this is the cow one. This is huge. Yeah, it's huge. Crazy huge. All right. Then, all right. Ooh, and this is the inside. I know. All right. See this outer lining, right? This outer region of the kidney is called what? The cortex. So everything inside would be then the medulla, right? So see how, well, you can't really, this right here sort of forms like a pyramid-ish shape, right? Each like region. Yeah. See all these darker spots? You guys sort of see the darker spots, right? Right here too, right? The darker spots make up this pyramid-ish shape, right? Right, so that's the renal pyramid, right? Between the renal pyramids, we have what? The column, the renal column, right? Do you guys remember what makes up the renal column? The loops of Henle. And then the renal pyramid is made up by the what? Collecting ducts. Very good. All right. Very good. What else can I tell you on? It's hard to see like the calyces, really. Like you can't really see like that convergence and then you go into a structure. It's kind of hard to see that. You will see more of that in the models. So you guys could make sure you guys take a peek at the models. Make sure you guys know how to match up the picture with the models as well. Okay. All right. All right. So well, this center region, right, would be called what? Where everything converges into before it exits the
Renal pelvis.
the renal pelvis. Very good. Renal pelvis, and then we'll exit out through the ureter. Right. Ureter. Right. What else do I want to say about this? Well, you can see like the blood vessels. Oh, the blood vessels on the outside of the kidneys, right? You guys sort of see like the blood vessels here. You guys see that? There's like little dots, small dots of red and blue, right, on the outside, in the cortex. That blood vessels, those blood vessels are called the arcuate arteries and veins, right? And those provide blood to the glomerulus. So remember, we have the glomerulus in the cortex, right? So all the arcuate arteries and veins go towards that structure. And so you can sort of see it here, arcuate arteries and veins. All right, fantastic. What else do I want to point out? Oh, well, it's also good to realize that when you guys open up a kidney, it's not always looks like that. Remember the pyramid, they're in 3 dimensions, right? They're not just like vertically like this, but they're like a big tree, right? So kind of, when you guys become, real professionals in your field, kind of keep that in mind. And remember, it's not only on one plane, it's 3D, right? Renal pyramids are everywhere, okay? Awesome. So you guys could definitely check out the kidneys when you guys are doing your cat dissections. So what you guys could do at this time is take out your cat, right, and then try to see similar structures within your cat kidney, slice it in half and open it up and see if you can see similar structures. All right, so we'll do that for the next couple of minutes.